My name is Don Steinitz. I am the developer and owner of the Steinitz Heiken-Aschie Smooth Multiple Time Frame EA. Basically, this method is based on trend trading, but we get into the trades on counter moves, or counter trading, or counter trends. This method uses 8 time frames. Notice the 5, the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, daily, weekly, and month. Okay? So we have 8 time frames that we're looking at. We have the Heiken-Aschie Smooth indicator right here. And let's go ahead and go to the monthly time frame. And as you can see, we have an uptrend here. Okay? The computer or program starts with a monthly time frame if you choose to. You can choose whatever you want, but I like to choose the monthly time frame. It then looks down one time frame at a time, all the way down from 1 month to 1 minute until it finds a counter trend. Now, on the weekly, it found 3 entries for a counter trend. Notice the red spots here. Red, 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 red. This is the weekly time frame, and it found this as a counter trend, and it entered the moment this temporary dip in the market turned long or blue, which is indicated by these arrows. Let's go to the daily time frame and take a look at that. Okay, so here's number 1. This was the weekly retracement, and it got in right here on this blue bar. Okay, and it had a nice run here on the daily time frame. Over here, this was a second weekly drawdown or market correction, and it waited to get in the market on the first daily blue bar, which is right here. Okay, the first daily bar. It entered this trade with a nice move upwards on the daily. And finally, the same thing happened here. This was a weekly drawdown or counter trend, and it got in the market on the first blue bar on the daily time frame. Okay, so there you have a very simplistic explanation of this method. It scans all 8 time frames simultaneously on any pair, and this method does not lose. Let me repeat that. It does not lose. Every trade ends up with a closed profit. All right. Now let's go to a back test here real quick, and I'll show you some interesting results here. Okay, I got to hurry up because it doesn't give you much time on this. Okay. Look at the image coming up. This is all the functions, very large number of functions on my EA. Notice the nice uptrend here. Okay, and all the trades, all the trades are winners. Take a look. I'll scan down like this here. Okay, this is 1.5 years, by the way. This is sterling yen, and this is 1.5 years worth of trades on the sterling yen on a mini account. Okay. And lastly, let's look at my website. Lots of information on my website to look at. I hate to rush this, but I'm forced to because of YouTube doesn't give you much time. So I'm going to go to my my website, and you can go in here and check out my different pages. Let me expand this. There's my logo right there. And of course, it's called forexrobottrader.com. This is where you want to be when you make all this money. And there's some marquee scrolling images of what the EA looks like in action right here. Okay? So once again, as you can see, there's a lot to this EA, all this information here to the left while it's processing. Please visit me on forexrobottrader.com. This method does not lose. It trades every currency, all time frames, and it's the most sophisticated program on the market that hit the traders community in the Forex